How to appear offline in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Roblox application in your PC. Once you open the Roblox app, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on this more icon. Now tap on settings. Now once you're inside settings section, simply tap on privacy and content maturity. Inside privacy and content maturity, you'll then be able to find communications. Go ahead and tap onto it. Tap on experience chat and then simply select no one. And once you're done, head back to communication, tap on party and select no one from here as well. So head back to communication again and then head back to privacy and content maturity, tap on visibility and private servers, tap on visibility and under show current experience, simply select no one. Once done, head back, tap on private servers and then tap on no one again. And just like so, you'll then be able to appear offline in Roblox. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.